And the Easter egg hunt is on.
He's supposed to.
Watch your head, Alex. Watch your head.
Move! No!
Go different directions, guys.
Hey, give me my pink one. It's not fair. You got the big pink one and blue one. Okay, I'll give it to you after.
Nothing in the drawers.